Hello, Thomil is glad to present its new 5-liter bag-in-box concept into the market under the name MasterBox. It consists of a full range of highly concentrated cleaning chemicals presented as a 5-liter bag-in-box. It's a convenient packaging solution for chemicals. MasterBox dispensing system allows for accurate mixing, which reduces the risk of waste or exposing workers to hazardous chemicals, saving money on shipping and allowing for variable levels of strength in formulations. Some of the advantages of this concept are the new MasterBox eliminates glugging and spills. It dispenses quickly and precisely the right amount of chemicals. It comes in 5 liters versus the traditional 20 liters container, so it is very easy to carry. And it comes in unbreakable pouches. Everything from furniture polishers to professional laundry or dishwashing detergent and rinse aids can be offered in efficient and economical standard pouches that make it easy to get every last drop out of the package. With a flexible packaging that helps to put potentially dangerous chemicals to work while keeping workers and consumers safe. MasterBox is easy to use and easy to dispense with less mess. MasterBox is available for laundry, housekeeping and dishwashing. It has a smaller packaging footprint that saves space versus the traditional 20-liter plastic drums. It has a better product-to-package ratio, making them easy to ship and store. Make it easy to get it all out of the package, reducing product waste. For dishwashing purposes, the dosing system attached to the dishwashing machine comes with an acoustic and optical warning that indicates when the pouches are empty and need to be replaced. Additionally, it comes with a trolley and 4 small wheels to avoid contact with wet floors. Outside boxes are recovered by a plastic film to avoid leaks in wet ambiances. From a sustainability point of view, the MasterBox system optimizes transportation, storage, and merchandising of your product by using 75% less space and using chemicals in a standard packaging, 80% less weight, but with a clean capacity equivalent to a 25-kilogram packaging. Once the pouches are empty, they collapse, leaving minimal package waste without accumulating empty spray bottles, plastic drums, or containers. Let's have a look at the performance of our MasterBox in 5 liters. Looking at our reference MasterBox S100, our ammoniated all-purpose cleaner, we can obtain up to 335 buckets of 5 liters capacity if the product is diluted correctly, and up to 210 trigger sprayers of 600 milliliters of concentrated product ready to use. It's right here. So it's high and well tested. 4 times concentration dosage allows you to install the system almost everywhere and without using large space in your client's warehouse. Here we have 3 different sites showing how clean, easy and well organized these installations look like. Remember, the new MasterBox system can save money while increasing efficiency and safety. That means less plastic waste, less transport and shipping costs, less handling and less energy. At this moment, we have the following references available. For dishwashing, 2 different detergents depending on the type of water hardness found, and one rinse aid. For cleaning surfaces, 1 ammoniated all-purpose cleaner, 1 degreaser, and 1 disinfectant. And for professional laundry, 1 alkaline detergent, 1 biological laundry detergent, 1 whitening and disinfectant solution, and 1 softener. Please contact export@thomil.com for more information or visit our website www.thomil.com, and do not forget to subscribe to our Thomil YouTube channel to be updated. Thank you very much for watching.